was giving us fits because some of the walls aren't exactly perfectly square. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is crown molding day. We've got all our boards laid out. We're gonna get them sprayed or primed. Then we're gonna get them painted. And then hopefully here shortly, we'll be tacking them up to the wall. You'll already see that off on each end, I've already got some of the boards already done. Those are just primed. Those are our 5-inch pieces. I went ahead and played around with the sprayer, make sure everything was adjusted right, got those done. Now we're gonna get on to the 3-inch crown molding that'll go in hallways, kitchen, and mudroom. Got all these primed. Now we're gonna go ahead and clean up this spray gun, get all the primer out, flush it out real good, and then we'll get our paint hooked up in probably about 45 minutes or so. We'll be able to paint this. It's pretty warm today. Air's pretty dry, and we got a nice little breeze going, so it shouldn't take very long. All the primer is dry. We have cleaned out the air sprayer, got all the primer out of it, flushed it real good, cleaned all the filters, nozzles, just got it primed up with paint. So now we're gonna get after spraying our 3-inch molding because this already laid out. Then once it dries, we'll start swapping it out for our 5-inch and keep going. And hopefully we'll be done with that soon and get to putting it on the wall. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're putting up the crown molding. Yesterday we had to knock off a little bit early, get a few things done at the ranch. We've already done the master bedroom. Those corner joints got a little bit of gap, but nothing that some caulk can't fix. Right now we're geared back up again. We're gonna go start hitting one of the back bedrooms.
Oh, well that's not just, that's...
It is a...
You can't just say when
You gotta squeeze it as you put it in there.
But now it's working.
Well,
Something.
it's not working. It's not working. It's back to working the way it should. Where's your mark?
Right there.
You got it at the very edge of it?
Mm-hmm.
See, watch this. Oh, never mind.
So do we just come in with a paintbrush to go over the little nail holes, or?
No, I got to come back and fill them in.
And then go over them,
You can hop down.
and then go over them with
Yeah.
a paintbrush, probably.
Or you finger paint it. You have chores?
Mhm.
What chores is?
Well, I was thinking
Hold
we
it.
should probably walk the sheep. Maybe walk the sheep and the goat. And piano, and feed the critters and cook dinner.
I don't think piano has to happen every single day, does it?
Once I'm practicing about 5 times a week.
Is that gonna go? Those are too long. Is it on the line?
Yes.
We're still doing crown molding. My help's been coming and going. So when they're here, I try to get the long boards put up. When I'm here by myself, I try to get some of these short ones knocked out. Got all the trim up in the mudroom. Luckily they were all short pieces. I think the longest one was like maybe 6 foot. So it was still easy to hold it right in the middle and get it all lined up. Now we're gonna move out to the entryway hallway. This is one of the things I'm running up against is the ceiling, well, and some of the walls too have lumps in them. So on this end, everything's fairly snug and flush. By the time you get out to this end, there's almost a 1/4 inch difference. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna have to put the trim up to where it's square, and then I'll just come back in and fill these cracks and everything later on. But this is one of the things that's been giving me fits. Good?
This lighter stuff doesn't, once you get it in place, it doesn't go anywhere.
All right, that's a wrap for putting up our crown molding. Got all the pieces installed. Now we're just gonna clean up all these boards that are left over and we'll start caulking and filling holes. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and we'll see you later.